Hi everybody, my name is Osnan and welcome to my channel Master DIY. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on to get notified every single time when I upload a brand new video. I just want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart that I've just completed my 500 subscriber. As you know that for 500 subscriber YouTube is not going to give me anything. So I said that I'm just going to make something which I can remember forever. And I want to thank you guys, but with this flag. So this is the DIY that I'm going to show you guys that how to make a YouTube play button. So without further ado, let's get started.
Supplies we need for this DIY project: if you have the ready-made quilling paper, so you have to just skip this place. If you do not have, so you have to just follow this step. Take a computer paper and just cut it into thin pieces like this, but I have already just bought a complete pack of it. If you have a printer, so you can just print this part, or otherwise you can just sketch it like I've just done it. So now for the border, I'm just going to take a black quilling paper and I will just put a little bit of white glue on the edges, and like this you have to just make its border. Now I will make a few shapes with the I will just make a few shapes just to fill a play button. So for that you just need a toothpick and you have to just make it round, and for the edge you have to just paste it with the white glue and cut the extra part, and you can just make it like possibilities are endless, so you can just make any shape. So I've just make it a teardrop, or you can just make, like I've already said that possibilities are endless, so you can just make any shape. You have to just fill it, like use your creativity, and you have to just fill your play button. So this is the final look. It's looking very good. So now I'm just going to take this frame. So you have to just take it out you have to just take out the glass section, and you have to just take its size and cut it that much according to your frame. First I thought that golden will look good, but it's not looking good, so I've just turned it black. So I've just missed that part because I've just make this video at 3 a.m. So now I'm just going to put all the frame and the back side, it's back. So you have to just put all the things and arrange the frame. Yeah, it somehow looked like this. Now for the section, so you have to just print out like presented to Master DIY for passing 500 subscriber. You have to just print it and cut it out, and you just need for this part a white Scotch tape. Like you have to just paste it on it. Be careful with this part and just gently press on the back side of it. Cut the extra part of the Scotch tape. So you just have to put it inside the water for at least 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. So when it get wet, so you can just easily peel the white section off, just like this. Rub it gently, not that much hard. So like this you can just make a stickers as well. You can just print out anything. When you just leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, when the water get dried from the Scotch tape, so you can just use it like a sticker. So I'm just going to paste all of them and cut the extra Scotch tape from the sides, and that's all.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope that you like and enjoy it. If you like my video, give a big thumbs up and see you guys next week. Bye.
Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat.